It's not a matter. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. It's a remedy, remedy, remedy.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a power hour clean with me, but this time I'm only going to be doing my disaster of a laundry room. As you can tell, my laundry room is in complete disarray and I really needed to get it together and kind of start from scratch. So let's get started. So the first order of business is getting all these clothes into the washer. At this point, I was trying to make sure I got this laundry room done in an hour or less. So I wasn't worried about trying to sort them and figure out whose laundry is who. I just threw everything in there that I knew for sure was not clean, or if I questioned if it was clean or not. Because I do have some clothes in here that are clean, and you'll see that like later on. So the next thing I needed to get done was I wanted to kind of sort these shoes. So as you can tell, there are a ton of shoes in here, but I wanted to get like the boots, all the winter boots out because we're done with those. Thank goodness. I swear this was like the longest winter ever. And then all these shoes that we don't normally wear like every day. So if we only wear them occasionally or something, I just really wanted to get them out of here.
Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Under my tattoos, it's a remedy, remedy, remedy. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah. There's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya.
You guys, I am 10 away from 300 subscribers and oh my gosh, I'm super excited about that. If you are new here, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed. On my channel, you'll find lots of cleaning motivation, home decor, recipes, that kind of thing. So if that sounds good to you, don't forget to click the red subscribe button before you leave today and then click the bell so you do not miss any of my uploads.
You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move.
What I'm going to be cleaning off the top of my washer and dryer with is this Method all-purpose spray. I tried to get it to focus. I don't think it really did, but it's a grapefruit scent. It smells really good and it cleans really well too. The other thing I want to know is, does anybody else's laundry room like super dusty? Like, it really hadn't been that long since the last time I cleaned off the top of these, but it is just full of dust. It's like insane.
Than the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for
random, but I want to know what the weather is like where you are. So I'm in Nebraska. Today is, I think, the high of 49. So on the chilly side, but yesterday was super nice, like 70s. This past weekend was nice. And I know this upcoming weekend is also going to be nice, like 70s to 80s. So I am super excited about that. We will probably barbecue again, so that'll be nice. Let me know what the weather's like where you are.
The things I love, Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. They're like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of those things I love. The things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love.
So I absolutely love vacuuming. I don't know what it is, but it just gives me great joy. Great joy. I don't know. I guess it's maybe the vacuum lines or the before and after. I don't know. But this vacuum, I do like it. It's a Shark Navigator something or other. It's specially made for pets. But I think I told you guys like months ago when I first got it that I ended up getting it because it was on sale at the time, and I had a Shark before and I really liked it. So I do like this one, but I have found that it is actually a lot harder to glide for some reason. I'm not sure why, but it works pretty well. I think I'll keep it for a little while, but then after this one, I really want to get a cordless vacuum. So if you have any recommendations for a good cordless vacuum that I don't have to pay an arm and a leg for, let me know.
Figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't.
Well, that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm actually glad that I made it this time. Usually when I film a power hour, I don't have good luck, but this time I actually made it. These shoes that I have on this bottom shelf are not gonna stay there, but I don't have a shoe rack yet. So I need to get me a shoe rack, and then, you know, everything will be good to go. There's probably a few more that can go that we don't actually use on a daily basis. But yeah, that is it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you are new here, I would love it if you stayed around and subscribed. All right, I'll see you guys back here soon in a brand new video. Bye.